Closing a losing trade immediately is actually the fastest way to drain your account to zero, and I'll prove why in 30 seconds. Market noise hits standard stop losses 70% of the time before reversing. By accepting the loss instantly, you lock in failure statistically. Professional traders don't panic, they buy time. But here is the trap. Defending is not just holding and hoping. If you just hold a naked position against a strong trend, you will go to zero. We use a technique called rolling. We close the losing position and open a new one further out in time. This creates a net credit that reduces your break-even point instantly. So when do you actually kill the trade? Use this framework. If the fundamental thesis has changed, or if implied volatility is crushed, you must accept the loss. Finally, change your goal. When defending, stop trying to make a profit. Your new target is a scratch, getting out at break-even. Live to trade another day. Stop trying to win, start trying to survive.